GTII Stock, Monday, am I bullish or bearish on global tech industries group? Number one thing on the list seems like it's kind of pointing down, right? It started breaking below. Oh, yeah. So let's check out my drawings. Yeah. So seems like we started to breaking off of the demand area, which is not a good sign at all. If there is a break above here on the weekly, I was surely going to even aim for 897, but never got this. I remember I have a little L right here. Let me check out previous. Yeah, nothing in my Discord server, but I remember I'm just gonna put an L because again it adds to my bottom line of me testing my strategy. So got a little L there. This never got a break, so this is just getting deleted now. I'm not I'm not putting L's there because there is no need for it. Started breaking below this point. For me to be bullish, it will have to break this high right now. So I think right now we're just gonna continue to just come lower, right? Long term, I mean, I have no comment on this. This is just mainly from a day to swing trade more so analysis. Not that you cannot use a strategy for long term plays or whatever, but yeah, I'm not gonna comment on this because this is my subjective opinion and perspective. If you want my strategy checklist for free, there is a free newsletter down below, so check it out. First link in the comments or the description.